Okay, in the previous lecture, I have showed you how we can build a webhook that notifies our Netlify server that it needs to rebuild our project from GitHub. So now we're ready to go ahead and improve our accessibility here. So in order to improve our accessibility here, we need to improve our contrast of important elements on our page. For example, we need to improve the colors of our button here, the menu text over here, and we need to improve our footer. So in order to do that, let's go ahead and see what we can do in our project. Now first we need to go to our posts over here and change our button to be using the warning and to be changed from blue to yellow. So the other thing that we need to change is our header links over here. So let's create a b tag which is going to bold them. Let's move that inside, and we need to use the class name to be equal to text-dark. Okay, let's copy those and replicate them for all of the links. Okay, and the last thing that we will need to do is to change our footer to be using not text muted but text dark. Okay, now we're ready to test our efforts if that has improved our accessibility of the web page. We need to go ahead and click on this icon here, which is the source control, and we need to commit those changes. So let's name them accessibility improvements, and let's commit that. And we would want to push that to our GitHub page. From there, Netlify is going to take our last build and it's going to build it. So let's go ahead and push that. And let's see our terminal. And let's go ahead in our Git. Okay. Everything must have been committed. Let's go ahead and check in our GitHub page. Okay, our last commit has been 38 seconds ago. So let's go ahead and see in our Netlify if our project is currently building. Let's go to overviews, and as you can see, we have triggered a hook which is git push, and our project is currently building here. So in the next lecture, we're going to see our results. So see you in the next lecture.